It's so thick, yes, it's very thick. Hey guys, my name is Ulysses and today's video I'm gonna show you how to make some Brussels. Actually, how to saute it, not made it. Made it or sauteed, it's the same thing. You can roast it too or just you can boil it. Actually, you can saute it. This is gonna be easy and simple, this Brussels, and we're gonna make one dip. The dip sauce is balsamic glaze. Let's do this. It's gonna be simple and easy, simple and easy, simple and easy, simple and easy. So, say no more and let's do this. Welcome and thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe or give one thumb up. So guys, I have right here one pot or pan. Okay guys, it's right here my pan and right here my balsamic vinegar. This time I'm gonna use just half cup. It's good amount. I'm gonna bring to the heat. We're gonna turn the stove on from medium to high heat. Let's bring to the boil. And right now I'm gonna add it a little maple syrup. 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoons. You can also add it more if you want. It depends how sweet you like it. So right now let it simmer and whisk every few minutes. So right now it's boiling and it's hot and it's time to reduce or turn the heat down. Yes, turn the heat down a little bit. So don't forget to mix it very well. Right now it's good. Let's wait until it be evaporate and it's gonna be all concentrate of our balsamic. So don't forget to whisk every few minutes. So while this is reducing, let's cut the Brussels. So right now it's time to cut out this hard piece. Yes, this hard piece. I don't like it, and you can cut it on half. If you want, you can cut it on quarter, but it's good on half. I'm gonna leave it right here. Half. Ooh. Let's keep cutting. How this is ugly? Not really, I don't really like it. It's a little old and dirty. I won't eat it. Like this piece, look at. So it's time for saute. Right now I'm gonna add a little extra of maple syrup. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna whisk it. So don't forget whisk it every few minutes. Just for make sure it won't burn on the bottom. Delicioso! So I'm gonna remove this glaze right here. You know, on low flame or low heat. And it's time for sauteing. Yes, it's time for sauteing those Brussels. Just let's wait until this is hot. So I'm gonna saute it with a little extra olive oil. So let's saute it with face down. If you think doesn't have enough oil, yes, up to you, add it more or not. Just move a little bit. Extra salt. So how to know when those are ready? Just, you can see it's not ready, it doesn't have enough color. Make sure turn on and watch how they are going. Yes, I'm gonna try it with this spoon. Oh, it's more easy. This is ready. This is ready. Some of them are going to be ready. Just bring low. Yes. So just turn the heat down a little bit and let's cook them little by little or slowly. Which one do you see that is ready? You can flip it. It's easy. It's good. It's good. A little bit more. A little bit more. Let's cook it more. More time. Let's see. Good, good, and good. I love that color. I love it. So it's time to switch and let's see how it's going. This, as you see, it reduced a lot. So it's ready to go. So you can see the glaze should still thick enough on your spoon like this. Right now it's ready and put away. Let it cool. Yes, just leave it cool. So how to know if those are ready? You can see the color. You can see every single Brussels, the color. How does get the little brown, slightly brown. It's up to you how to really love it. Also you can boil it or just you can saute it with some oil, salt, pepper and roast them, but I love them this way. So it's time to plate it. So I'm right here with my plate, and if you see, after leave it cold, look at how thick is this glaze. Can you see it? I can put it on this way and it's gonna be hard to bring out. So right now it's cold and it's time to plate it. What I'm gonna do is gonna be spread some drizzle. And bring one by one. Yes, one by one. Actually, I don't know why it's hard for me using this kind of tongue, but I'm gonna use one more spoon. It's easy. Are those good on this way or another way? Maybe on this way. Looks more fancy, right? Oh, it's one extra. I'm gonna eat it. It's so thick. Yes, it's very thick. This balsamic glaze is very thick. I'm gonna try to spread on every single Brussels a little bit. It's so thick. And I have right here a little of microgreens. And there we go. So I hope you liked this video and this recipe. So thanks for watching me and see you soon. There are right here my Brussels. See you later.